Welcome to our comprehensive review of the top 5 best wireless soundbar in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the world of high-quality sound, exploring the features, design, and performance of each soundbar. But that's not all. We have a surprise for you. One of these soundbars has a feature so unique, it's a game-changer in the audio industry. Curious to find out which one it is? Stay tuned till the end of the video. Let's embark on this auditory journey together, enhancing your home theater experience like never before. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. Polk Audio MagniFi Mini Axe Wireless Soundbar. Number 4. Sonos Arc Wireless Soundbar. Number 3. JBL Bar 1000 Wireless Soundbar. Number 2. Sony It's 2000 Soundbar. Number 1. Samsung HWQ 990 Wireless Soundbar.